Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job openings for teaching professionals from Next Gen. So they are hiring for international school located in Warangal, Telangana. So as you can see here, they are hiring for pre-primary, primary and high school sections. So for the pre-primary section, they are looking for mother teacher, soft skill trainer and physical trainer. For the primary section, they are looking for Hindi, English and maths teachers. And for the high school sections, they are looking for physical science, biological science, social studies, computers and soft skill trainers and physical trainers. So to eligible for these positions, you should have BEd or BEd with TET qualifications with up to 2 to 10 years of working experience, and the salary would be 25 to 45,000 per month, and also they will provide a free accommodation and other benefits. So if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers. And also you can check here like head office details, those are mentioned here. And if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can drop your resume on this mail ID. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.